Good morning, good afternoon, what's going on, guys? Your boy Rome 300. I'm back again with another video. Real quick, I just received some dope fragrances in the mail. I ordered some fragrances from the Boadicea website. They were having this amazing sale, free shipping, buy 100 ml bottle, get a 50 ml bottle free. So I took advantage of that, and I got some other fragrances. So I want to do an unboxing fragrance haul video for you guys. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this little unboxing video I got for you guys. All right, I'm super excited, so I'm gonna show y'all what I got. And I know y'all like, what the hell is that you got in your hand? This right here is my trusty samurai blade. I'm not sure what they actually call this. I know it's not a katana, but it's those blades that they would carry when you've seen the movies when they like do the slice in the stomach or something like that. So this is my little blade. I got this idea off of watching Sam from My World of Fragrance. So shout out to Sam. She's an excellent fragrance reviewer, and she's the self-proclaimed queen of Boadicea. I can't argue, she got some nice Boadicea fragrances. So I'll put her link below so you can check out her fragrance page also, because she's dope. All right, let's go ahead and start this up. So first off, we're gonna start off with a fragrance that I first got a whiff of it in Barney's, New York, probably like 4 years ago, and it was like, yo, what is this? This is fucking good. This is unbelievable. And that is from Valhelm, I think that's how you say it. And this is Morning Chest. So tried to get this fragrance so many times. It was here in DC's Ariel Shoshana had it. Went over there, tried to grab it. They was sold out. Tried to order for them. The warehouse was sold out. So they were having some sale on their website. It was like 20% off of the fragrance. Man, I can't tell you how hard and long it took to get this. 3.5 weeks almost to get this fragrance. So, finally got it today. So let's do an unboxing. Lay that down, I'm gonna cut nobody. I don't wanna cut myself. Man, this package is serious. And I can't edit or cut, so y'all gonna have to bear with me the entire ride. Let's go down here. All right, so this opens, I think it this way. Ooh, maybe I can see that. That looks really nice in there. Let me see if I can bring it closer to y'all so y'all can see that. Morning Chest. Ooh, a nice heavy bottle. That's nice. Let's see if that focuses. I want y'all to see the bottle. That's nice. I'll do a first impression video soon. Magnetic top. Oh, I'm so happy they got this in the collection. All right, let's move along, because I got a few more to put in here for you guys. I hope you guys are doing good this afternoon. I'm shooting this on the Thursday. I'm not sure when I'm gonna put it up. So let's go to the next one. But I hope you guys are safe, enjoying yourself. I know, kind of bored, everybody's still staying in the house, but I hope you guys are doing amazing, staying safe, and enjoying yourself, and smelling good at the same time. All right, next up, another fragrance. Probably around the same time I smelled Morning Chest. Same year, I smelled this one. This is from Bodicea the Victorious, and this is Prestigious. I smelled this going into Neiman Marcus, Chevy Chase. No, Neiman Marcus is Tyson's Corner in Virginia. Now, they themselves have a Bodicea. They have not a big line, but they have probably about 10, 15 Bodicea fragrances there. And they had this, and they had the pewter line at the same time there because it was exclusive to America. This smelled better than everything I smelled in the last maybe 4 years. I just couldn't pull the trigger because I didn't like I ain't gonna say I didn't like the customer service, but there was no professional there to kind of explain the fragrance there. So I just like, I'll just wait. So I did. So here we go. That's the box. This is the older presentation, I think, because some of the boxes I got over here are newer. All right, how do you open this? Is it not like the old one? There's a sleeve, I think, right? Yeah, there's a sleeve. That is snug. Which way you going, brother? There we go. All right. Okay. Man, when I tell you that's in there, that is in there. If I could edit, I would have cut this part out and y'all wouldn't have to see me struggle trying to get the bottle out. It's glued in there, Jesus. But bear with me. You guys probably seen Bodicea bottles before. That is Prestigious. Bodicea bottles are just amazing. They look amazing. Yeah, and this is the older presentation because it still has the. I'll show you guys the difference between this presentation. You can see Prestigious at the bottom, but yeah, this is bergamot, lemon, lime. This basically smells like a rosé champagne with a fizziness behind it. It's one of the best smelling fragrances I've smelled, period, from Bodicea. Absolutely gorgeous. So happy to have that in my collection. Next up is going to be, this one was a steal. I got this one from Bodicea. Also, pretty much everything else is going to be Bodicea, so I'm just going to let y'all know. I got this one from Bodicea, and let's cut that this way. There we go. And when I tell you, this one was a steal. Now this one is called, it's Salubrious. And this just dropped. This wasn't in Bodicea line. I have never seen this, so this must have just been released this year, and no one is talking about it. But this is a beautiful rose amber fragrance, and it was only 100 pounds. So I think it was 100 pounds, like $120 for 50 ml. And I was like, yo, I'm putting that in the cart. I want that for a free bottle. And I almost did not buy this because I smelled it on paper and it reminded me a little bit of Regal on paper. But then I put it on my hands. Some said, put it on your hands, smell it on your hands. Yeah. Totally different fragrance. This is so damn good. I cannot believe that this fragrance right here is not $250. That's what I'm saying. This is a beautiful fragrance. Rose amber fragrance. Look at the shield on that. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. That's a beautiful thing. Dark juice. Oh, even the top, man. Come on. Salubrious. Get your hands on it. I know it's still on the website. 100 pounds, you can't beat that if you just want to buy the bottle. Get the samples. I'll do a full review on this one. Absolutely. This is probably going to be one of the first ones I do a full review on. But I had to do that one. Now, next up, this one was actually, this was a surprise because I wasn't going to buy this one. I was going to buy a fragrance called Envious. Envious because I'm like on a tuberose kick right now for some reason. I love tuberose. And this one was like just perfect for the spring or summer. And if you know me, if you watch my videos, you know I'm not a real summer spring guy. But this one, it caught me off guard. I'm like, man, it's beautiful. So I was going to pick it up. Smelled it. And let me backtrack. I asked David to send me some samples so I can see what fragrances I want to buy. And he sent me like 15 samples. And in that sample that I actually requested, he sent me this one called Rebellious. So I smelled Envious and then I smelled Rebellious. Envious leans slightly feminine because of the tuberose. This one is saffron, amber, musk, patchouli, and it just released, and I was like, there's no way I'm not gonna pick this one. There's no way. So he got me with that one. I think he knew like he's gonna sneak that one in there, and I probably would change my mind because it was so good. This one is actually a Selfridges exclusive, so you can get it. I mean, it's not like you can't get it. I mean, pretty much exclusive deals when we were in the world was a little bit more difficult to get, but we just ordered shit online. So, but look at this. I love the whole pack. Look at the packaging. The packaging is dope. Look at that. That's beautiful. Let's look at unboxing. This is my first time seeing this. I mean, I've seen the package, but not for this range.